Hello everyone. In this lecture we will see measures of skewness. So there are two types of skewness. First is negative and second is positive. And we have identified these two types of skewness by using this Pearsons absolute measure of skewness. This is what Sk is equal to mean minus mode. Now we are seeing this measures of skewness. So there are two categories. First is absolute measure and second is relative measure. So in absolute measure, first is what? First is Pearson coefficient of Pearson measure of skewness, absolute measure. And this is equals to Sk is equal to mean minus mode. And second is what? Bowley's measure. This is equals to Sk is equal to quartile third plus quartile first minus 2q2. And this is also known as quartile measure of skewness. And this q2 is also known as median. So we can replace this by median. Now next is what? Kelly's. Kelly's measure is in two forms. First is in decile and second is in percentile. So as in Bowley's formula, we are using this highest quartile, which is q3. In case of Kelly, we will use highest decile, which is what? D9. And lowest decile is what? D1. And middle decile is what? D5. So we will use these measures of decile. And now you will write this formula for percentile form. So this D9 equals to P90. That's why we can replace this D9 by P90 and this D1 by P10. And this middle decile is replaced by middle percentile, which is P50. And I will share all these for all these measures Q1, Q, D and P in the description. And now we will see relative measure. So how will you find relative measure? If the quantity divided by same type of quantity. So in this case, we will divide this Pearson measure mean minus mode by standard deviation. Then you will see this as Pearson coefficient of skewness. For Bowley's measure, we will divide this Bowley's measure by Q3 minus Q1 as we are using highest quartile and lowest quartile. And in same way for Kelly's coefficient of skewness, we will divide this quantity by D9 and D1. This is D9 minus D1. And for percentile form, we will divide this quantity by P90 minus P10. So these are all what? These are measures of skewness. So I hope you understand this concept of measures of skewness. Now in next we will see measures based on moments for skewness and kurtosis both. So I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel and have a nice day. Thank you.